Hey, yeah. Hey, I just got in the door. What? Hey. Ah. Yeah, it's too noisy. How about I call you back in a minute? Yeah, okay, thanks. Okay, bye. Hey, Jenny, any idea when the new windows are coming in?
Well, I checked. Should be tomorrow.
Oh, that's great news. So you may have noticed a break in our release schedule, and that was due to our move to our new office, which is larger than our last place. After getting longer wiring and connecting all the gear and lights, we had a new challenge, the noise. For everyday life, it wasn't too bad except if you wanted to take a nap, but then it came to recording. This is track 41. Honk. Immediate. So we downloaded the higher end keyboards and mice, but I didn't. So after recording the first video, I really knew we needed soundproofing, otherwise making videos is gonna be hell. Our new office is close to a big intersection, a very noisy one. Similar to earthquake magnitudes, decibels are logarithmic. If the sound meter shows 60 decibels, it's twice as loud as 50 decibels. Sound meters measure a similar huge range that our ears can observe from a pin drop all the way up to a noisy restaurant. Now with the original single pane balcony doors closed, there was a drop in noise, but every green light you could hear cars and especially motorcycles accelerating. When we first rented the place, we knew it was going to be a little noisy due to the proximity to a large intersection. Though being on the 14th floor, we figured it wouldn't be bad. Oh my god, we were so wrong. Yonghe is one of the most heavily populated districts in Taiwan, with lots of tightly built tall buildings and very little greenery to absorb sound. We were actually really fortunate with our old place at the end of an apartment cul-de-sac across from a large park with one-lane traffic. Not so with this location. The tall buildings around this location bounce the sound up, and there's a lot. Due to the cement-walled balcony, we got the maximum sound reflection, and rush hour is super noisy, averaging around 60 decibels, spiking to around 70 or even higher sometimes. Keep in mind that this measurement was taken during coronavirus, so rush hour is not as noisy as usual. Life in Taiwan isn't business as normal, but maybe about 60% of traffic is still on the roads. We also learned that ambulances take this road to the hospital, and police love to hit their siren a moment to get stopped cars moving to improve traffic flow. We shopped around for soundproof windows, and luckily we found Xiaopang House Repair, and the boss was easy to talk with and had different solutions for our problem. Xiaopang does shower door installation, waterproof construction, aluminum windows and doors, screens for windows and doors, custom-made aluminum windows, large view and soundproof windows, automatic doors, 3-in-1 bed doors, mirror and tinted glass, general housing repair, and dry construction. After negotiating a very reasonable quote, it took about 2 weeks for manufacturing. They gave us a call to arrange the time to do the install. It went quickly, just one morning, and it was done. And wow, what a difference. Even the traffic whistle is only hitting about 48 decibels. With the original inside balcony windows closed, we're now hitting 36 dB, which is incredible for Taipei, even quieter than our previous studio. I honestly didn't know how much background noise we could cut, but this is a really terrific result. Now there are some piercing noises that do make it through both window sets, like ambulance sirens, bus and truck turn beeping signals, and super loud motorcycles. The recording situation has gone from near impossible during rush hour to a very good audio situation for recording with a... Living in Taipei is always noisy with so much going on, but choosing to install soundproof windows has really improved not only our work experience, but also just inhabiting this new office space. It's really dramatic the noise decrease can make on your everyday quality of life. Another added benefit is definitely the reduction in mosquitoes getting inside the office. Asia has a lot, and we have rackets to deal with the bloodsuckers, but we still had 3 or 4 a day pre-window install. Now we get 2 to 3 a week, and we're duct taping floor drains to eliminate remaining entry points. But the new windows definitely eliminated a large entry point due to the poor sealing and durability the original interior windows had. All the more important now with viruses causing people to stay at home. So yeah, here's our new office space, and we have a lot of new products and videos coming soon. To keep up with our releases, you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Techspin Review. We're interested to hear what new hardware you want to see reviewed. Let us know, and we'll try and get to it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, or let us know how we can improve for next time. If you want to see more videos like this, then please do subscribe for new content, and be sure to click that bell icon to get notified when we put up a new video. We read and reply to the comments, so if you have a question or you figure we missed something, please tell us down below. If you're still here, we really appreciate you watching this far. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you on the next. Bye for now.